Hello everyone, in this video I am going to cover progress element. The progress basically show the progress of a specific task and you can use progress tag for that. Let's see how we can do. Let's say H1 progress example. Now progress tag, there will be two attributes, value and maximum. So value, let's say 23, and max you can say 100. Save it and have a look. That's how you are going to see a progress tag. Now let's introduce another progress tag. Progress value, let's say 2, maximum 10. Save it. There you can see it's 2 out of 10. Inspect it. Just change the value over here, let's see. So it's showing 8 out of 10 now. So that's how you can use progress tag. Thank you so much for watching.